Okay, so let's get started. So we have our tea bag here. Everything is ready to go. It even has peppermint essential oil already infused. I'm going to go ahead and tie the bag. That way none of the herbs come out when it's steeping. Now, mind you, it is a two-use bag, so if you want to take some of the herbs out and separate it and use it later, or you could use the whole bag, freeze, and then use for a second time. So here you're going to see that we have our hot water ready, and we also have our spray bottle. Now I have this container that has a steeper basket, but it's not necessary because it's not a lot of water, and I want to make sure the bag is actually sitting in the boiling water all the way, like the whole thing is covered. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the tea bag in the container and lay it flat, and I'm just going to pour the water on. Now this is about 250 milliliters of water because I am using a 8-ounce bottle. Some of the water is going to get absorbed from the herbs. You're going to notice that when you are finished about an hour later, it's cooled down, that the bag is swollen. So all you have to do is squeeze the excess water out of the bag, go ahead and put it in the bottle. And when you squeeze the water out, you're squeezing it out because you can actually put this bag in a freezer bag and stick it in the freezer for a second use, allow it to defrost, and do the process again. Please remember, guys, that there is no preservative in this. You're going to stick this bottle in the fridge and keep it in the fridge, and it will only last for about 7 days. After that, toss it, make another set, and follow the process again. Thanks for watching.